back to Plan Your 2019. In this episode, we're going to be talking about adjusting instead of quitting. Just because you're behind schedule or things aren't going the way you want them to, it doesn't mean that you're not going to hit your goal. You need to have a positive attitude and adjust your expectations to fit your progress. So if you're going a little bit slower than you'd like, then maybe you can push your deadline if that's possible, or maybe you need to speed things up in other ways so that you can work harder at your goal. What plate can you just put aside for a second so you can spin this one a little bit faster? It's best though to adjust your schedule to something that's more doable as you work towards this goal. Also, it's really good to have a plan in action so that when you do get off track, you can get back on track a little easier. So your task for today is to come up with an alternative plan. What will you do if you get off track? How will you adjust your schedule, adjust your goal? How will you adjust things so that you can achieve your goal? For me, if I get behind in my class creation, then maybe I'll get up a little earlier in the morning and go to bed a bit later. Usually what I'm doing in the evening is just scrolling Instagram anyway, so I can give that up, get up a little earlier when my mind is fresh, and work on my class. Let me know in the comments below what your alternative plan is. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you Friday for the next episode of Plan Your 2019. If you missed any of the episodes, you can find the playlist in the description below. Have a fantastic day and happy planning!